and welcome back to the channel. I'm Liesel from VA Wonder, and today I'm super excited to show you how to use the brand new clip mask feature in Canva. This tool gives you Photoshop style layering power directly in Canva, and personally one that I really missed. You can use it to overlay images, shapes, text, and even logos. It's perfect for adding a custom look to your graphics or even just changing the color of a logo in a smarter way. The possibilities are endless. Let me show you how. If you enjoy Canva tutorials, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. First, open your Canva project or create a new one. Now I want to create a watercolor overlay effect. So let's go to Elements, search Elements, and I'm going to type in watercolor background, and then I'm going to choose a photo. Let's choose this one. Then I'm going to go down to the apps on the left-hand side, search clipping mask. It's this app that you're looking for. Open it, click on Start Masking. And the first option that you will see here is shape. So here they have quite a few preset shapes already for you. And you can just click on it and see what it will look like within the background that you've chosen already, or the overlay. Okay. And you can also move it around so that you can find the color sequence that you like. You can also make the shape bigger or smaller. Let's see what the flower will look like. The little leaf. Okay, let's stay with the splash. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and I want a little bit more of the yellow in there. And when you're done, you simply click Add to Design. And now you've created your first mask shape. And what's really wild is if you click on the shape, you will see these little color buttons appear at the top. And now you can even adjust these colors further. So for example, if you wanted a more vibrant purple, let's click on there. Choose a darker purple, and it will actually adjust your image even further. To illustrate how to mask an image, I found these flowers under Elements, so I'm going to click it over. The first thing that I'm going to do is to download this image on a see-through background to my computer. So PNG, transparent background, and download. So now I will delete it away. Then I'm going to look for a background image or the overlay image. So let's go to Elements, and I want a floral overlay. Let's go to Photos. Let's use this image. Now I'm going back to the apps, click on Clipping Mask, Start Masking, choose Image. Now I'm going to upload the flower file that I've just downloaded. And the same thing as with the shape, you can make it bigger, you can move it around. And when you're happy with your design, click on Add to Design. And there you go. So now you've used the shape of these two flowers and overlaid it with a floral flower design. And once again, when you click on this image, you will receive two color options again. So if you wanted to change or enhance it. Next up, logos. So as an example, I've got this Plant Love logo, and I would like to change this black logo to a logo where we've got it all covered in green leaves. So I'm looking at this image in Elements. I'm going to click it over. Just remove that logo. Make sure that you've got your logo ready to be uploaded on a PNG transparent background. Now go down to your apps again, to the clipping mask, start masking, go to image, upload your file, choose file. I'll choose the Plant Love logo. And here it is. Okay, now I will make it a little bit bigger and move it around so that most of the letters are covered with green. Otherwise, you won't be able to see anything. There we go. And when you're ready, click Add to Design. You can remove that. And here we've got the first option. But say, for example, I would like to change this to a solid different color. And this you might use quite often, especially if you, for example, always have a black logo, but now you need it in a white option for printing purposes or specific design purposes. So what you can do is create a different page, then add the color that you need this logo to be in to the background. Okay, so for example, we will go with this gold color, then download it. And you can just download it as a JPEG. Let's go back to uploads, upload files, upload your gold background. Okay, so now Canva will see it as an image. I will just delete this page, create a new one. Okay, so now instead of this green leaf image, I will click over the gold as a background. Let's go back to the apps, clipping mask, start masking, go to image, choose file, so bring your logo in again. And there we go. Click Add to Design. And now you've got your Plant Love logo in the gold. And a big bonus, you only have to do this once, because if you click on this color option, you can now change the color to any other color that you also need. For the text example, I would like to use the word safari and cover it in animal print. So let's go to Elements. I've searched animal print, go to photos and choose something with small design features on it. Then go down to apps, clipping mask, start masking. And this time we will choose text. Now you can add your text. At the moment, it only gives us one font option, but if you would like to have a different font option, you will have to create a different image, download it to a seafood background, and then upload it into the image tab as we've done before. So click Add to Design. Let's recap what we've learned today. So we've added a watercolor overlay to a shape. We've added a floral overlay to an image. We did two logo options, one with a green leaf overlay and one with a solid color. And lastly, we covered some text. So what do you think of Canva's Clip Mask? Let me know in the comments how you plan to use it. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva tips, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss the update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.